Making a short video to demonstrate how this contemporary 5-minute repeating pocket watch works. So you press the top button and that opens the front case. Really in wonderful condition. And this is a 5-minute repeater, and so when I depress the lever, it's going to count out the hours and then the number of 5-minute increments. So in this case, it's going to have 10 single strikes and then 3 doubles. Let's advance the time here. I'm going to advance this all the way to 12:55, which would be, let's do 12:56, which would be the most strikes that a 5-minute repeater watch will do. So there's going to be 12 single strikes and then 11 double strikes. So the repeating mechanism works flawlessly. The watch also keeps excellent time. So in summary, a contemporary 5-minute repeating pocket watch that works exactly as it should. Take care.